word hacker was first used at MIT in 1916. During that time, a group of computer science students were working on artificial intelligence. Most likely, these talented young individuals would hack at a problem until they had a solution. The term hacker was not associated with any malice. However, as time has passed, when someone refers to a hacker, it often has negative connotations. Many think of a hacker as someone who is trying to break into a system to steal information or release malware. There are several subcultures of hacking groups. All have different attitudes and goals. Many times, a layman will group all hackers under the term hacker, but there is a difference. The three main types of hackers are black hat, white hat, and gray hat. Black hat hackers are considered to be the bad guys. A black hat hacker might be referred to a cracker, as they might try to crack the code or crack a password. A black hat has an objective to cause harm by engaging in criminal activity. Many times they backed by organized crime or nation states. The black hat operates on the dark side of the internet, damaging organizations, spreading unsafe content, and threatening governments with cyber terrorism, and they can cripple a victim financially. White hat hackers are considered to be the good guys and are ethical hackers. The white hat hacker has a supportive government and industry and are computer experts. Many times they are contract employees hired by security companies and are trained to test systems and attempt to break into them. But they can also be an internal team conducting regular penetration testing as part of an overall security plan. Ethical hackers diligently look for any system vulnerabilities in the computer defense system, where once identified is reported and fixed either by the white hat team or the appropriate IT personnel, with the idea of improving a company defense posture. A gray hat hacker sits between the good guys and the bad guys, in that they might try to gain access to a system without permissions, but in general without malice. They want to see if they can access a system. Well, a gray hat hacker will many times notify an organization in some manner that their system was vulnerable. Black hat hackers have a larger arsenal of software tools, malware, and social engineering techniques that are used to breach a system. Anyone, either internally or externally, with proper motivation and the right situation, has the potential to become a hacker. That is where the idea of white hat or ethical hacking comes into play. Ethical hacking enables an organization to fine-tune their security posture, educate their staff, and implement security practices that protect critical systems and sensitive data. Ethical hacking can be done in-house by a trained IT professional or outsourced. As outsourcing might be expensive, a company might choose to do an ethical hacking assessment in-house. If done in-house, select an appropriate candidate, although someone might self-identify as a potential white hat hacker. Take care in making your selection. Recommendations include selecting someone who understands the skills required. Ethical hackers uncover vulnerable entry points before attackers have a chance to exploit them. They have patience and persistence. Not only do ethical hackers need to find vulnerabilities, they must suggest and or implement mechanisms in order to reduce the threat. Ongoing training is essential. They respect the code of good conduct. The term ethical implies the candidate understand what is right and what is wrong. They understand that checking and reporting only to team members and management, not to a group of friends at a bar after hours, thus possibly compromising the security of an organization. And they are professional team member in that the ethical hacker is proficient in communicating any discoveries and will work with all team members to ensure a comprehensive approach that supports the overall security plan. Ethical hacking continues to evolve, and it's gaining attention as an essential security practice that every organization should perform on a regular basis.